There is a new established ordinance for the business sector, and Yasmin Rigby Blues has the details.
Thanks, Angie. And there's been a recent notice from the Attorney General who is seeking the views of financial services professionals and interested stakeholders on the TCI Companies Ordinance 1989 as amended. This interest follows a meeting of the company's working group, which met on the 5th of December last year. The launch of this consultation is said to be the result of the joint work of the Governor's Office, the Ministry of Finance, the Financial Services Commission, the Financial Services Initiative, and the Financial Industry Association to undertake and review all key pieces of financial services legislation in the Turks and Caicos. In launching this consultation, the Attorney General, the Honorable Kurt De Freitas, was quoted as saying, "To date, there has been frequent informal input made about the weaknesses and problems with the TCI Companies Ordinance. This working group and the process of review which this group will drive forward will provide formal channels for collecting, reviewing, and establishing a new ordinance." He went on to invite interested stakeholders to make comments on the subject matter under review with a view of its systematic development and reform, including in particular the elimination of defects and abnormalities, the repeal of obsolete and unnecessary provisions, and generally the simplification and modernization of the law. In welcoming the launch of this consultation by the Attorney General, the Deputy Premier and Minister of Finance, Honorable Floyd Hall, said, "Growing our financial service sector is important for the Turks and Caicos Islands. Reviewing our legislation to ensure it is modern and competitive is one key element in this task. This is valuable not only to provide a true and sustainable second pillar to our economy, but also to create more and diverse opportunities for the Turks and Caicos Islanders. The work on this ordinance makes a significant benchmark for us in seeking to establish modern and competitive product-related legislation." Jonathan Catan, President of the Financial Industry Association, also commented that the Financial Industry Association has been lobbying for a review of key financial service legislation for some time. He stated that they welcome the collaborative process that now has emerged and the launch of this first consultation with respect to non-regulatory ordinance. Lead advisor to the Financial Services Initiative, Dr. Gilbert Morris, added that strengthening the legislative and regulatory infrastructure of the TCI Financial Services is absolutely key in this task of developing a modern and leading international financial services jurisdiction. In addition, he said, they're undertaking increased marketing and promotions as well as defending our financial center through lobbying, particularly in Washington, D.C. and in London. This consultation is said to be the first of two that will take place on the company's ordinance. The first phase is seeking input to define in general terms the strengths, weaknesses, and potential opportunities in this legislation. It will set the direction of the new or reviewed company's ordinance. The deadline for responses was the 31st of December, but has been extended to the end of this week. Following this consultation, the company's working group will consider the views expressed. This consultation is a chance for stakeholders to shape the look and feel of any change that may be made to the current legislation. For WIV4, I'm Yasmin Rigby Blues.